Hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to share with you, I ordered a dash cam on Amazon, and it's spelled Vizomaoi, and it's F7. It's a 4K dash cam, so I'm going to open it up, show you what it looks like. Also, I ordered a SD card for it because it said I had to have a Samsung 256 gigabytes, so I already cut the package open, so that's why it's already easy. This is the SD card that they highly recommend using with it. So okay, this is the box it came in. It's pretty simple. You can see right there the model, the name of it. So the dash cam was $79.99, and with tax it came out to $87.59, and my SD card was $39.41 with tax. So there's where you plug it in. Not sure what the buttons are yet. I haven't read the manual on it. Very lightweight though, very lightweight. I like that. Here's the power cord for it. This plugs into the unit, and then this plugs into the cigarette lighter in the car. I chose this particular model because it doesn't use a battery, and I was reading online that when you buy a dash cam, it's better to buy one that doesn't have an internal battery because it doesn't heat up like the other ones do, or not as susceptible to high temperatures like in the summertime when it gets extremely warm. Okay, here's the manual on it. There's a lot of stuff in here, so hopefully that will be helpful when I have to set it up. Not sure what these are, but I'm guessing they have to put them on the back of here so that way it doesn't hit the windshield. Now, I had opened it before I started my video because I wanted to attach the paper or thing that was on here to my windshield, and it said it had to stay on there for 20 minutes before I could attach the dash cam. So I already did that. And this is the little tool that came into it. It came in the box. So this is once I install the dash cam, if I decide to hide the wire. So I'm going to read the manual and come back and finish my video once I read the manual on how to use it. Also, I just wanted to let you know that I discovered you can push that button and the screen will illuminate. If you don't want it on, you just push the button on the right and it'll go off. That's a good thing to know. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for future videos that are coming out. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.